Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of performing a vulnerability assessment. If you're new to the field or just looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Define the scope. Before you start, it's crucial to know what you're assessing. Are you looking at a single application, an entire network, or maybe a specific system? Get clear on what needs to be tested to avoid any gaps in your assessment. Next, we move on to asset identification. Make a list of all the assets within your defined scope. This includes hardware, software, and data. Knowing what you have is the first step in protecting it. Step 3. Identify potential threats. Look at both internal and external threats. Think about who might want to target your assets and why. This will help you focus your efforts on the most critical areas. Now, it's time for vulnerability identification. Use tools like Nessus, OpenVAS, or Qualys to scan your systems. These tools will help you find weaknesses that could be exploited. And don't forget to stay updated with the latest vulnerability databases. Step 5. Analyze the results. Once you have your scan results, you'll need to interpret the data. Look for patterns and prioritize vulnerabilities based on their severity. Focus on the high-risk vulnerabilities first. Next, it's time to take action. Develop a remediation plan to address the identified vulnerabilities. This might involve patching software, reconfiguring systems, or implementing new security controls. Make sure to document your steps for future reference. Finally, report your findings. Create a comprehensive report that outlines your methods, findings, and remediation steps. Share this with your stakeholders to keep everyone in the loop and ensure accountability. And there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to performing a vulnerability assessment. Remember, regular assessments are key to maintaining a strong security posture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay secure.